Hi, it's Matthew with Wyman Plumbing. We're out here at the beautiful Anthem Community Park. We have a full pool repipe going on. They have a cast line that all the sewer seems to be collapsed. It's just going into the dirt. They want to finish it and get it all up and running, flowing properly. So our job is to bust out the concrete, dig out to the line, and then once we get to connections, we'll cut them, and our pull machine will actually run new piping through the whole existing hole and breaking out the existing pipe, removing it.